Yesterday we have issues with the network. That's what yesterday I was unable to share the material. Today the first activity I can upload the material so that I can take control about the session. Did you understand? Let me share. Today I have given one workshop for AI agents. Once again I have proved if you know Python, advanced topics are easy. It is available in YouTube also. In your free time, if you want, you can cross verify. We have a material as well. I can share with you. So we really got a nice comments for that new material what I have prepared. Yeah. First point, let me upload. K-fold cross validation. Okay. Regarding yesterday. Okay. Now let me upload running notes also. And did you remember I told examples also I will upload actually. Am I right? And I taken backup. Okay. Then I have uploaded yesterday material, including running notes also. Let me continue today's session. Okay, cool. First, I will give a small recap yesterday what we covered. Then I will continue. You will get an idea. Let's. Okay. Almost these are all things we have seen. Yeah. Till here I covered, I guess. Hmm? Random forest. This one is train underscore test underscore split. This one, this would be a careful cross validation. Yeah, cross files for actually till here I covered, I guess, right? Now I need to continue. Fine then. So let me just try to go back and let us replicate the running nodes of yesterday. Continuation. and after careful cross validation, SVM, new algorithm. 29. Yeah, Daniel, this one is still running topic, and the upcoming topic is yeah. I'm planning to keep same running nodes. Is it okay? I would like to continue. It might be helpful for you. Am I right? Why? Because all steps is really important. But I will give a small recap by using yesterday running notes so that you will get a clarity actually. All right, back to the session. Currently, we are running with the topic which is so called as a K-fold cross validation. Daniel, what is the main motto for this session? The main motto will be, till now, we already know how to split the data by using train test split, train underscore test underscore split actually. But let me tell you, by this time, even you should understand a point which is so called as a, do we have only one technique actually? No, we have one more technique. With the K letter, these are all important topics actually. Sorry, sir. With the K letter, these are all important topics. The first one will be K-fold cross validation. Next one, K means clustering algorithm. Next one, K nearest neighbor. These are all different algorithm. Make a note on this. Whenever you're talking about the machine learning, ensure that the first step would be, you should understand the first one will be train underscore test underscore split. And we have another alternative also, like a K-fold cross validation. Whenever you are working with the train underscore test underscore split, there are few keywords you have to remember. Only one time only training, sir. How many times? And we will get one score. But whenever you are working with K-fold cross validation, it is a K times training. How many? Then you will get a K scores. Like imagine if it is a 5 times, then 5 scores you will get actually. And finally, we need to calculate mean score. We need to calculate that mean score is important. Case number 1. I hope you already know my father started training, especially kind of sub the training will be 70-30 ratio. 70% of the data my father have used it to train me, and remaining 30% of the data my father have used for what purpose actually? Testing purpose. Now the next one will be K-fold cross validation. Now when it comes to K-fold cross validation, my father have taken the same data set and he divided the data in this way. 1 to 20, fold number 1. 21 to 30, 40, 41 to 60, 61 to 80, 81 to 300 actually. Daniel, is it fixed? No, 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 no. You can go for 4 parts. 1 to 25, 26 to 50, like this actually. Otherwise, if you want, you can go for 2 folds, 3 folds. That is up to you. That is still fine actually. Once my father have taken like this actually, first time training, my father have used testing purpose. The first part my father have used testing purpose, and remaining all he used for what purpose, sir? Training. And in his, yeah, one time training is done, then we will get a one score actually, and the score would be like this. And second time, the previously almost I have filled 3 scenarios. Now my father is thinking, let us make it, here 3 scenarios my son missed, right? Let me give a one more training. Not only one time, sir, almost 4 times my father is going to train. I never miss anything actually. Now this technique is touching almost all corners about the data. Like this, we'll get all scores. I hope I spent really yesterday good amount of the time to explain about this one. A revision I can make it very quickly. These are all score 1 to score 5 divided by 5. Then we'll get a average score, which is so called as a best score actually. Now, what exactly we are doing currently? First, we'll do one thing. We are going to take one small problem statement, which is so called as a handwritten digits. This problem statement, let us solve by using 2 techniques. One would be train test split. It is one time training and one score actually. Second one will be K times training. I mean to say we are going to take K full cross validation and logistic regression. Next one SVC. The next one random forest. These are all things we are going to take actually. And let's continue. Yeah, Daniel, logistic regression, I have taken train underscore test underscore split. How much is score actually, sir? 96 is the score actually. Yeah, good. We done these are all example. Can I take a control demo 1, demo 2, demo 3? Then you can easy to understand. Understand this. Topic. Train test split, which is so called as a logistic regression. Loading the data set, a kind of some model we are importing, and we are importing the function also. Loading the data set we already done. Data preparation. The next one will be splitting the data set, you already know. And logistic regression. Daniel, why this one? You know, though this one is a huge data set, this algorithm may face some memory issues. Then explicitly we need to provide actually. Okay. The next one would be step number 6, model creation. Here my main motto will be not to do the prediction. Let us check the score. Here getting the score really matters actually. What matters, man? Getting the score really matters, right? So we done this. More the next step actually. Demo number 2. In a demo number 2, sir, same process we are using SVC. Talk with me. SVC. Demo number 3. Can you help me? Same process we applied for random forest. That's what we done. Then I can just try to quickly scroll down. These are all we came across random forest. Okay. Now, Daniel, what is the conclusion? The conclusion will be where there is a big score, that's called as a best algorithm. What is the best algorithm, sir? SVC. Why? More accuracy. Now, train underscore test underscore split, the technique is concluding. Daniel, I have applied this one. Almost, so 3 algorithms I tried actually. How many algorithms? 3 algorithms I tried. SVC. Got the best score. Got what exactly mean? Best score. Now this one is a conclusion. Now let's do one thing. Let us apply what I am going to apply actually. Why again I'm running these are all? Oh, okay. No, this one is yeah, random forest score. This one is a score actually. This point I can confirm here. Yeah, Daniel, I came across this one. Then let us apply another technique also. Let us apply what exactly, sir? Another technique also. What is, yeah. Yeah, exactly. That's what, ma'am. Even yesterday I covered one point. The point would be, imagine, think like currently we are working handwritten digits. Handwritten what exactly? Digits. Now over this data, SVC is working the best actually. If you are changing the data set, if you are changing what exactly? Changing the data set, a kind of some, let us take iris actually, and you need to validate again. You need to validate again actually. 3 models. Machine learning is a R&D process. We have to do keep on actually. It's not, there is no fixed rule. This one is the best algorithm. We have to do keep on. Then there is a good question. Hey Daniel, can I say SVC, can I apply in every data set actually? No. We have a different algorithm. All these algorithms we have to apply on the data. Maybe I am going to help you how to work a model pipeline. Model what exactly? Now pipeline. Pipeline in the sense, let us get ready. 10 algorithms would we have. All these 10 algorithms I need to apply in the data. Then we'll get a best score. Not only best score sometime. How long time algorithm have taken, that one also really matter actually. I will cover. These are all things also. Right? Yeah. Imagine the next one will be here. We may get a random forest is the best algorithm. And now next one is the healthcare data set. Healthcare what exactly data set. And there you may get a some decision tree actually. Decision what exactly is a tree. That's what we need to get a clear picture. Like a how person to person thinking abilities are different. Algorithm to algorithm it is a vary. Got it, I guess. Right? Let's move on. Good. Good question. Yeah. Demo 3, these are all things we done. Demo 4 also we done, I guess. Demo 4. So let me take the report, you will get an idea. This one would be the demo 4. Yeah, Daniel in a demo 4. We are using K-fold cross validation. Yeah, K-fold cross validation. And this one will be K times training. How many times training? K times training and K3, 3 scores actually. Logistic regression, first time, second time, third time actually. Then finally we are going to find out today average score actually. Now we done this example. Okay, okay, fine. Then I need to continue with what exactly, sir? SVC. Am I right? That's what I need to continue today. Make a note on this one. This one is a continuation session from yesterday. If anyone missed out yesterday's session, you have to walk through actually. There are few points I wanted to cover. If you wanted to work with K-fold cross validation, you need to know one predefined function which is so called as a cross-val score. Talk with me. Cross-val score, K-fold cross validation. This function takes 4 parameters. First parameter is the model. Second parameter is input, output, CV value. Now the CV value 5 or 3 up to you, but as per our example, we are giving as a 3 actually. Now Daniel, can you tell me, whenever you are calling cross-val score, explicitly fit method you no need to call explicitly. It is inbuilt automatically. Okay. Now get ready, sir. Control S. Online team, are you clear till now? Demo 5. Yeah. Importing the libraries. Now, yeah, loading the data set. These two are same. Then I need to walk through SVC. Yeah. Any idea what is the next step actually? Step number 2 is what exactly, sir? Loading the data set. All right. Now I hope you already know loading the data set is the common step. Any idea next step? Data preparation. We know. I hope we know these are all steps actually. Step number 4. Yeah. Splitting the data set. That's okay. But let me tell you, splitting the data set, we are using K-fold cross validation, right? Now, here we need to call a function. Function name is called as a cross val score function, which takes 4 parameter P1, comma, P2, comma, P3, comma, P4. Now this one would be, what is this one, you know, sir? Scores. A kind of some, you know, model scores actually. Get ready to understand. Any idea? Step number 5 would be what exactly, sir? Model creation. Model creation. Okay. Now let us just have to take this course too. Okay. Any idea? Model. Is it okay? I need to create a model first actually. I can just have to model equals to model 2 equals to I'm planning to create SVC. Yeah, this is really ready. Model 2 parameter number 1 X. The next one would be Y. The next one would be CV equals to 3. CV equals to what exactly, sir? 3. Now, step number 6. Step number what exactly? 6 actually. I just wanted to display step number 6 would be getting the score. What exactly, sir? Getting the score. To get the score, we need to call a method. Method name is called as a, yeah. No, no, directly you can print the scores. That would be fine actually. Okay. So I'm sorry, I was thinking about, yeah, come on. Let us run this one. Did anyone attended morning session? Anyone get a time? Oh, all right, no worries. I have prepared a material. I will share the material. In your free time, you can walk through. The session in live actual. In YouTube also you can find. Yeah. Can you help me? No, no, no. Even why I didn't directly invite you, for you minimum MLDL is required to understand the session, but the session is available in YouTube. Go to the Naresh website. Go to the live sessions actually. Sorry, sir. Can you tell me what is the first score? 96, 97, 96. Oh, cool. 96, 97. So seems to be here also topper is what exactly mean? We'll see. All right, Daniel, we got this output. Now I need your help actually. What is the next example? Yeah, good. Random forest. Next one is what exactly, sir? Random forest. Yeah. Then demo number 6. Demo number 6.py. Yeah, I hope you understand. Can you tell me? Step number 1, importing the libraries. Now, what is algorithm name now? Random forest. Then random forest would be, yeah, here we can get. As usual, remaining steps all are as usual, sir. That's what I'm reusing the existing code. Step number 3, data preparation. Step number 4, let me run this first of all. Till here, let me run. Step number 6, right? Okay, cool. Data preparation, that would be really fine. Demo number 4, splitting the data set. Okay. Yeah. Here we are using K-flow cross-validation. We need to call a function. Function name is called as a cross-val score, and which takes almost 4 parameter, and which returns a variable so called as a scores 3. Okay. Then here prepare the model. Model preparation. Step number 5. Model preparation. Sorry, model creation, right? Model equals to random forest classifier. Daniel, it is ready. You help me to the next step. Can you guide me? Here it should be model 3 and x comma y comma cv value 3. Previously, how much I have given? 3 only, right? And here also I have given 3 only, right? Yeah, yeah. Ensure that maintain the uniqueness actually. Model. Okay, okay. Let me just try to get this variable. Now let me just try to a special step actually. Special step. That step would be getting the score. Cool. Now it's the right time I need to run actually. I'm sure everything is all right. Now let's run. Awesome, sir. 93, 94, 92. Here also SVC came. Here also? Yeah, confirmation. Go back, get that report actually. Where is it, sir? This one is important. Now, Daniel, 93, 94, 92. 93, 94, 92. Really good, sir. Really very good actually. 92. Now, here also what came actually? SVC. Now, conclusion of the story, what I'm telling you know. As I told you yesterday, still we are using train underscore test underscore split. That is having the special name also, not according to the documentation. One of the great author, which is named called as a Jason Brownlee. He used to call train underscore test underscore technique name is called as a golden standard technique. What technique? You no need to follow these are all approach actually, but it would be good to confirm one more time. Either the train test split is it misleading or else not, it would be confirmed with careful cross validation actually. మీకు అర్థమైంది లేదా సార్? This one will be really good confirmation. Okay. Now let's just try to get the code actually. Now what we are doing, you know, what we are doing is all examples we are doing in one shot. That we are we are trying to finding what exactly, you know, sir, average actually. Are you ready? Yeah, that one is the what exactly I'm planning is. Here individually I have implemented 4, 5, 6. 4, 5, 6. Let us implement all examples in one shot actually. You will get an idea. Did you understand? Come on, let's do that actually. That is the last example. Checking average of all model scores actually. You can just have to come here. Okay, for cross validation, all models. Demo 7.py. All right, then can I capture from here? I need your help. Literally, I need your help actually. This I will not copy paste. I can implement one by one actually. Step number 1, importing the libraries. Ensure that this one should be numpy and this one should be like this here. Format your code actually. All right, this looks pretty good. But there is no rule like that. But if you look at the code actually, like nicely you have formatted. Just try to format like that. I'm habituated. Step number 2, Chapan sir, loading the dataset. This step we already know. Can I capture from here? The next one. Step number 3 also same. Step number 2 and step number 3 also same. Yeah, Daniel, we are ready. Let me run this one. Demo 7, let me run actually. Online team, are you following? Can I talk with you? Good. From today, I have taken one of the session which is so-called as AI agents. I have proved again. If you know Python, advanced technologies are very easy. Would you like to see the material? Let me spend just a matter of couple of minutes. Material, AI agents workshops, and here is a workshop. Look at the material. Click on this. Can I tell you one small beauty? If it is advanced technology, I myself I used to create my own flow. Trust me, that flow helps you. In a machine learning, did you remember 7 steps actually? Even in AI agents also, I created a 7 steps. Nowhere, never document actually, and I created with my whole experience. Okay, first one is importing libraries. Next one, configure the LLM. Next one, create agents. The next one, create a task. When I'm talking about the agent 1, agent 2, these are all things actually. Creating a task, create a crew, run the crew. The next one will be check the response. Important actually. You can, if you want, let me show you one small example, you will get an idea. Yeah, I'm sure you even don't know the definition of AI agents, but I'm sure you can tell what is this actually. That's the power of Python. Even during the session I told you have to be very good in Python. I don't know, many people may not accept actually. People are thinking without Python also they can learn advanced stuff. Highly impossible. The moment when they are thinking, it's okay, if you're ignoring Python, we can learn advanced technology actually. That moment onwards, they are going backward direction. What direction, sir? So Python is the base actually. Any idea what is this? Class. Once you are importing the class, what is the next step actually? Creating an object. That's it. Agent creation object. Yeah, LLM is class actually. And now the whole line is a object creation from here to here. And any idea what is this? That's it. I ensure that you know. The next one, this one is again object creation. Whole line is object creation. These are all keyword argument. What arguments, man? Keyword arguments. Really beautiful. Trust me, you will understand from here to here what is going on actually. No doubt in that actually. Yeah, you are creating an object for crew, and object name is a crew. And you by using this, any idea what is kickoff actually? Method. How can you say? Nice. Did you understand your power actually? Though you know Python very well, then not AI agent actually. Tomorrow, some ABC agent came. You can understand very clearly. So I used to tell always, I proved again, sir, knowing Python helps you actually. Okay. Even the surprising thing will be, no one ever explain advanced technology in a notepad actually. Morning I have executed examples in a notepad, sir. This is seriously awesome. Overall, especially my old students, they got surprises. Sir, still you are following the same passion. Yeah, yeah. They joined in live actually. It went to live. I executed in a notepad. I really feel next level. Sir, notepad is awesome. You can understand the code in a nice way actually. Still you can execute in a Google Colab. These are all things also. Uh, yes, sir. I can upload in a Google Classroom. You will get an idea. Okay. Yeah, fine that. So I request you, even do you wanted to see output actually, it takes some time. Why? Because these are all advanced actually. It may not run very quickly. Greetings. Yeah. Importing libraries, configure the LLM, creating an agent, creating a task, create a crew. Hmm. Hello, what example? What example, man? Yeah, these are all steps. It will be executed in the backend. Yeah, the view you will get like this actually. Though it one is the AI agents, backend it will display what exactly it is doing. It is think like a human actually. Agents are things like a human. If you listen the session morning what I have covered, you will get an idea. Now the power will be, sir, follow the steps. Follow the, if you know the steps actually, you will understand very clearly where you are. Where you are actually. Are you with me? All right. Now let me close this one. Anyway, this is not our task actually. Online team, did you understand, sir? Can I give one small conclusion today? If anyone taken, if anyone, if anyone didn't taken as a serious about the Python discussion, I'm sorry. You have to be very serious about the Python learning. Once you are comfortable with the Python, then you can learn anything actually. You can learn anything. It will be very easy. Now, can you give me a couple of minutes, please? Just, please wait for a while. Wait for a while. Couple of minutes. Online team. Online team, thank you. Yeah. Let's close this. Now, fine then. So we done these are all steps. Once again, I would like to run actually. Importing the libraries, loading the data set. Next one will be data preparation. Tim, the next one is so called as a splitting the data set. But anyway, splitting the data set we are using by using careful cross validation. Step number 4. Step number 5. Any idea? Can you help me? Models creation. What exactly, sir? Models creation. Creating models. Why? Because we are going to, it's not like a one model. It's like a group of models. It's like what exactly? Group of models. Yeah, come on. So, Daniel, what is the first one? Logistic regression. Second one, SVC. Third one, random forest. I need your help actually. Model number 1. Daniel, it's logistic regression. Model number 2. Can I get your help? Your help? Yeah. Model number 2 equals to SVC. Model number 3. Random forest classifier. Almost all models created. Okay. After all models created, yeah, good, Daniel. The next one would be you can just have to apply careful cross validation. Yeah, fine then. You can just have to apply first one. Scores 1 equals to, can you help me? Cross val score. And here what I need to provide? Model 1, comma, x, comma, y, comma, CV equals to 3. 3 actual. We'll get it, sir. This one 2, this one 3, this one should be 2, this one should be 3. Otherwise, what we can do, we can still store all these model 1, model 2, model 3 in one list actually. Apply for loop. Apply what loop actually? For loop, and you can, by using for loop also you can apply. You should know, right? Except model, everything will be same. Make a note on this one. Okay. Now, Daniel, we are getting these are all scores. The first one would be logistic regression score. Logistic regression scores. The next one would be SVC. Next one, random forest. This one would be SVC 2. This one would be random forest. Classifier, it is 3. Very good. Let us just have to print these all. It takes some little time. Why? Because 3 models you are running. Running. Yeah, good, man. This one is 3 times 3 scores, and this one will be 3 times 3 scores. This one would be 3 times, and what exactly 3 scores. Daniel, it's a right time. Can you tell me how to get the average score? How to get it? In a NumPy, there is one predefined function. Function name is called as a average. What is the function name? Average actually. It would be really good. Now, it would be np dot average of, here you need to provide scores 1. Yeah, average scores. It would be good practice. It would be really good practice. Like before you are giving some information, you are checking and you are confirming. Validation. Yeah. Yeah, kind of you're confirming. Tell me which one is the best? SVC. And what you can do, if you want, you can just try to multiply with 100, multiply with 100, and this one also multiply with 100, multiply with 100. Now check the score. I will give you one small assignment. You do one thing. Okay. We are getting output like this, right? We are getting output like this. All right. At next line, I supposed to get automatically the best model is, talk with me. What is the best model? SVC. Then how to do, any idea? Think logically, take some time. If condition. Okay. Tell me the if condition. Let me suggest you. Do one thing. It's okay. Well tried. Take name of the algorithm in a key, create a dictionary. This one should be key. This one should be value. Key, value, key, value. Now you need to check in a values, which value is the high value. Sir, no, I'm sorry. Ignore that. Ignore that. Go to the data frame. Go to, you created a dictionary, right? You created what exactly, sir? Dictionary, right? You can just try to, once you have created a dictionary, created a data frame. Try to create a data frame. Yes, tell me, sort. You can apply sort. But sort will be ascending order. Then you have to pick the last value. If you make it like a descending, you can take the first value. Then first to record will be what exactly, Yeah. So first record would be the best model actually. That is the best practice. Exactly, sir. Exactly. Right. Then do one thing. Create a data frame. And, so you can just try to sort based on scores. Then get the best. Get what exactly? But take this assignment. Can I get this one? Let me run this example. Online team, I'm sure you got a clarity. Any question? This is so called as a k-fold cross validation. Same thing like this, you can try for iris data set also. What data set, sir? Even that would be really good actually. We are using k-fold cross validation and getting the best model actually based on the score. All right, sir. Really very good. K-fold cross validation. What is the topic name? Did you understand? Cinema started in yesterday. Almost we spend 1.5 hour time. How long time, sir? Maybe 1.5 hour or 2 hours we spend. But literally this example is the really great one. And in real time, we are using this topic thoroughly. Ensure that, you do one thing. You can just have to ignore the handwritten digits data set. Take a iris data set and apply the same thing. If you want, you can take for decision tree also. 4 algorithms you can apply. Decision tree also you can apply. Can I give that assignment actually? I'm sure, I hope you can do that. Assignment number 2. Apply k-fold cross validation technique over iris dataset. What dataset, sir? Iris dataset. And you can just try to and take below models. You can just try to take logistic regression, that is still okay. The next one would be SVM. The next one would be Pipter. What is the next one? Random decision tree. The next one would be random forest. Which one? Linear regression. Yeah, see, this one is a classification problem, right? Then we should not apply linear regression. Good question. No, no. First of all, let me tell you, that's what you need to be understand. This one is a linear regression, sir. This one will be decision tree. Think like this, right? Now, as of now, this one is a classification technique. On classification problem, we are working on classification actually. But any idea, linear regression means what exactly, sir? Yeah, so that's what you need to get a clarity actually. This one is a regression model, a kind of some regression problem. You need to apply linear regression. Can I get a response? You understand, I guess. Let me drink water. Online team. Online team, how are you, sir? Can I talk with you, everybody? Who are all join on online? I'm waiting here this side response. So I'm waiting for your response actually. Do more practice in your free time. Viswateja sir, Srinath sir. Good. Now one question. Answer everybody. No partiality. Everybody. How good you are in Python? Out of 10, how much rate yourself actually? Online team, please rate yourself. How much rate yourself, madam? Out of 10, how much rate yourself? Only our material. From our material. Rating in the sense, if you are really good in preparation, 8, 9, something like that actually. Oh, JS sir, very good, 7. Piyush sir, right. Respond everybody. Why? Because valid question. By this time, if you are unable to answer how much rate yourself in Python, sorry sir, then what you know actually? All right, good, good, good. Rajesh Garu, how much? 7 to 8. Mir sir, 7.5. Yes, ma'am. 6 to 7. Yes, ma'am. All right, good. 7. That's really good. But try for 10. Prepare our material as it is actual. And you have to be Jyoti, 6 to 7 actual. Very good, very good, very good. Thank God no one didn't tell 1 or 2 actual. Okay. Now let me tell you. Sir, in terms of Python, I can rate actually 10 out of 10. Why? Because being a good in Python, you can understand other technology very clearly. Why I'm sorry, I'm not overconfident. Why I'm confident, So the first point, I'm more comfortable with the Python. You can't believe, on an average, I can say 4 to 5 books I have prepared actually. In my free time, I like books reading. Not only working experience, I like books reading also. I used to prepare the material from documentation. Next one will be Stack Overflow also I like very well. I can say 4 to 5. Even I will tell you the book names also. Like one of the best book is the Core Python Black Book actually. Best book. Did I told that one? Yeah. Core Python Black Book is amazing book. But not required. You don't need to prepare these are all. But whatever I have prepared, prepare that material more than enough. Please. Very, very important actually. Can I get a response from you? Python and pandas be strong so that remaining things you can easy to understand actually. Okay. In another few minutes, though today is a Saturday, in another few minutes actually. Let me continue. We done this and let me just try to walk through. You have to remind me. These are all examples I need to upload today at any cost actually, right? And maybe you already uploaded, but one more time, let us just try to take these are all. Let me upload, you will get an idea. Okay, good, all right. Sir, one small good news. Any idea? I never expected actually, but Naresh Shetty is announcing Monday's holiday. Mondays? Enjoy, sir. Yeah. When they told Monday is holiday, you can't believe I really feel so happy actually. Why? Because you don't know about Naresh Shetty. Ayo sir, I'm working since a few, almost this one is the third year running. They never give holiday, simple. I told to admit, thank you so much, sir. Like that actually. Even from your batch, somebody asked, can we get a holiday on Monday actually? Yeah, yes sir, holiday. So అలవాట్లో పొరపాటు జాయిన్ అవ్వద్దు so don't join to the session by habituated actually. Monday holiday. Then again we are going to connecting on. Session is not at over. I'm just trying to updating. Did he cover R value? Okay, then I need to close the status, right? Did I close the status? Yeah, I have closed actually. I have closed. Okay, fine. Daniel, we done this careful cross validation, and let us just have to start SVM. This would be the running topic actually. During weekend, I may not recommend long sessions, sir. Maybe in another 5 to 10 minutes I can take, and I can move on actually. Let me take the topic name is called as what exactly, sir? SVM. What is the topic name? I will give a small quick introduction. Then I can leave for today actually. Let us continue. Yeah. Interesting. This example is seriously interesting. What is the topic name? Support vector mission. Support vector, what exactly? Mission. Then what is a support vector mission? Support vector missions or SVM is one of the most popular supervised learning algorithm. And when you're talking about the data science, SVM, support vector missions actually. Good question. How long did it take you to learn Python actually? Valid question. Maybe I already told my background details. I already told once, I guess actually. But anyway, let me remind you one more time. You will get an idea. Sir, good question. Maybe even good question. Let me go to my flashback actually, and I will explain about my story. First point, uh, I was a Java developer. I was a Java developer. I was working as a Java guy, Java developer. Almost 3 years of real-time experience. 3 years of what exactly? Real-time experience. Trust me, when it comes to Java, I was a full stack Java developer. Talk with me. Full stack Java developer in the sense, full stack Java guy. Almost I worked in all tiers actually, like especially client tier, a kind of some UI tier, UI layer, a kind of some UI. Next one will be database. The next one will be middleware. The next one is server side actually. These are all things I worked. Then my life is moving on very happily. Life is moving on. Life is what exactly, sir? Life is moving on. Seriously, very good. Seriously, very good. Suddenly, my manager called one day actually. My manager, he told, let's have a one-to-one meeting. What meeting actually? Yeah, please make a note. One-to-one meeting. One-to-one meeting actually. Then even I got surprised. So maybe project is moving on. This is seriously good. Then my manager told, uh, in our company, we are getting some big data projects. Getting what exactly, sir? Big data projects. Big data projects. Especially Hadoop related actually. Understand? Hadoop related project. Those days Hadoop is what exactly, Java is the prerequisite. What is prerequisite? If you wanted to work in a especially Hadoop, you should be master in Java. You should be master in Java actually. Let me tell you what is my response. Manager asked one question. Would you like to work actually? I rejected, ignored. I told not interested. Not interested. Why? Because I'm comfortable with the Java. That too, With interest, I learnt Java almost 9 months actually. How many? Like a mother, how she carry the baby. I used to carry my Java notes actually. Did you remember? In whole Amirpet location, I used to carry my notes like that actually. Then I ignored. But manager is really good manager. He told like, let's try. Nothing is wrong. Though you already know Java, explore with other technology. Literally again I ignored. But manager have a manager level. They have seen many guys like me, right? They do have a patience. He told, take 1 week time. Take what exactly? 1 week time. It's okay. If you're not working, I can talk with other guy and I can assign actually. But I feel this is really good opportunity. So I hope you can pick the things very quickly. He told. Then I called one of my senior. Generally, even I used to follow my seniors, right? I called to one of my senior. His name is called as a Subbu Anna actually, Subbu. And I called Anna. This is the conversation I told. He told, take the opportunity. Even pain, and I need to leave Java actually. Even when you're talking about the Hadoop, total Java not required. On an average, 40% is required. How much required? But we know end to end actually. Out of 100, I need to use only 40% actually. Team, let me tell you. Here joined in big data project. Joined in what exactly mean? Hadoop project actually. Hadoop project. On an average, the project duration will be 6 months, man. How many months actually? 6 months. Project is done. Project is what exactly done. Now I'm back to Java. So I'm getting ready to join Java project. But in between, what happened, sir? We got a migration project. We got what project actually? Migration. What do you mean by migration? Uh, Convert Hadoop project from convert Hadoop to PySpark actually. Here is my career turn. Again, client told, yes, very good. All you guys worked very well actually. Hadoop is the basic one. The next level is the PySpark. PySpark is very highly advanced actually. Now, then again, I like when I was working like a Hadoop developer, big data developer, I really feel amazing. I enjoyed actually. Then once client told, so PySpark also you need to work. I take in challenge. Yeah, I will work actually. PySpark in the sense what exactly, Yeah, that's what you need to get. Python plus Spark actual. Then I don't know Python knowledge. I told to directly my manager, zero knowledge. What knowledge actually? Zero knowledge. But I'm more interested actually. Then client given the KT. Client in the sense, manager arranger KT actually. You can't believe on an average 20 sessions, man. How many sessions? Though I'm a Java guy, I'm sorry for telling. Java guys, they can pick the things very quickly. They have seen many number of scenarios actually. I really learnt very well from that session itself. These are all basic sessions. I done lot of R&D, sir. You can't believe a lot of R&D I done actually. I can say 3 months time. How long time? Within 3 months, frankly speaking, I became expert in Python, sir. Expert in what exactly? Then there my route started actually. Then in PySpark, you can't believe in PySpark, there is one module. There is a so-called one module actually. If you want, you can just try to do little R&D, Googling actually. There is a one ML lib module. Would you have what module? ML lib. ML in the sense what exactly, sir? Machine learning. From there, I became as a data scientist. That is my career actually. Many people don't have this path. But luckily, let me tell you, to enter into the data science, you no need to be Java guy. You no need to be big data developer. Directly you can learn data science. That's what that day one onwards I am telling you guys are blessed actually. You guys are what exactly, man? Attack Python directly. That's what I'm telling. Sir, who asked this question? Thank you, sir. I'm able to remember all my olden days actually. Did you understand? Siddhartha Sarji. Any questions? Yeah. Just this is about my career. But let me tell you, with experience, I have prepared our material. With experience. So prepare this material more than enough. You no need to touch any other material. Trust me, you no need to touch any other material. Just to be strong in our material. More than enough actually. Okay? Okay, cool. Why these 3 months? Working and learning is challenging. If I am only learning, on an average, minimum 1 month is enough. But working and learning actually. And for your kind information, you in the sense, books, I like books reading in my free time. you can't believe. Along with me, I used to hold always a kind of some device actually. Total books only. You can't believe. Total materials only. I used to load the material, and in my free time I like books reading actually. Okay. Maybe fine then. So we'll continue in the next session. It's a kind of some short today due to weekend special actually. Is it okay for you? No option. If you tell no also, please sir. We done today's session. Monday is holiday. We'll connect again on Tuesday. I'm from Daniel. All right. Thank you. Maybe let me upload the material. A short session today. Due to weekend, simple. Sir, can I do one thing? For your better understanding, I can create a zip file one more time, and I can delete the existing one. Is it okay? Talk with me, sir. Can I delete the existing one? I can delete this. I can upload the updated one actually. Yeah. I hope if I upload running notes, that would be fine. Then we can close the today session. When I was working, I like to prepare. If I work, I will prepare material. That's what I started this habit since 2014 actual. I have my own website www.nirikshan.com. You can see articles I have written in the year of 2015, 2016 actually. Good habit. Why? Because these are all material. I don't know. I like material preparation. I prepared for next generation. Maybe it is helping for you actually. And let me tell you, openly I'm sharing the material liberally. Generally, no one ever share. I'm not sure either you know this point or not actually. Our material is like a more valuable actually. That's what. Follow the material. Thank you, man. Fine then. So I hope I uploaded everything. We'll catch again on Tuesday. Thank you, online team. We done today's session.